fellas, unfortunately I won't be in this morning, but this is what you should be working on. Excuse me. As you go to the class page, we're obviously doing Beyond Justice. Now, the other day we did a couple of online quizzes. You'll notice the tiles here that reflect the different parts of this topic. So what we're going to be looking at, of course, is we're working our way through our Beyond Justice booklet, and then you can spend some time, thank you, then you can spend some time in the last 10 minutes or so going over your social justice project. Now, you should have all these questions answered. We've looked at these videos, and the permanent principles of Catholic social teaching: human respect, human dignity, the common good, solidarity and subsidiarity, meaning be able to do things at the local level. Dignity of the human person. We've already said dignity comes with our birth. It's not a human right, it's just we are made in the image of likeness of God. That's not our physical, but the very units of you, what we call the soul that goes on. And every person, we're made in the image of likeness of God in our soul. So the dignity of each human person doesn't rely upon what you think of them, doesn't rely upon your thought at all. It means that the dignity of the person, their very soul, is in the image and likeness of God, and you have no right to trample upon that, no matter how good or bad it makes you feel, or if you enjoy making the other person feel bad or suffer. That's got nothing to do with it. Dignity comes from God, created us in his image and likeness. That's in our soul, not in our physical sense, how we look or where we're born or colour of the skin or how tall we are. Right? Human dignity. You should be answering these questions. Why do all humans have dignity? Right? All these should be answered in your book, because remember, booklet is part of your assessment in this topic. Then we're moving on to have a look at the natural law. It consists of morals and values which God wrote into our hearts, consciousness and our understanding, our nature, when we were born. And examples of things that aren't. When Hitler condemned the Jews by law, it was an unjust law and should not have been followed. This would be the case with any law that does not respect the dignity of the human person. So we know deep within our soul things that are right and wrong. We're just learning to refine it, and where it comes from is what we do at school. So the natural law, right? If there is a creator, we should seek and then serve it. We should seek to do good and avoid evil. That's pretty normal. We should treat others as we would like to be treated. That's true. Sometimes called the golden rule. Every human person from conception to natural death should be treated with the same care and love. The 10 Commandments, which are in the Old Testament or the Hebrew Bible, they are a summary of the natural law. So you should be filling this in. And if you have all this filled in, then you can go on and work on make notes for your social justice report. So that's what you need to be doing this morning. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you on Wednesday morning for our double. Have a good day.